So here's a trade. This is a live trade I just entered based on the conditions. So you can see here that I have blue background, blue candles. That I drew these support and resistance line, which sometimes I use depending if I'm trading into or bouncing off of them. Then you can see here the BB percentage above the 80, and then I have the blue volume, and then also have. So I waited until I get 3 dots, and then I enter a trade. So my first profit target, I reached my first profit target. Now I'm just waiting for it to move up, so that my second target can move to break even. So you can see it just broke even. So now I'm just going to move my stop loss closer, well, above the break even point here. And so I'm just waiting for prices just to move up until I get stopped out. So the market's at the 200 point plus 200, and so I do expect price to move up some more. So again, I'm using 50 take profit. I'm trading the MNQ, just 2 contracts only. I can go ahead and if I want, I can trade 10 contracts. But for now, I'm just using 2 contracts. 50 take profit. 50 take profit, and then I'm using a wrinkle bars 32, 81, 60 settings. These bars are not too fast, just the right speed so that I can do my other work and look at it at the same time. Of course, special thanks to Blue Clues Discord group that had shared the strategy. I did modify it a little bit, just added 2 extra indicators on the bottom, changed the script so I get extra confluence, which is working pretty well for me. And so you can see prices inching up just a little. I can move my stop loss. Well, it does move automatically up 2 periods back. In this case, it's moving off the lows of the last 2 period. If I feel like prices, if I feel like the trend is ending, then I could just move my stop loss closer to the price. So I'm just inching it just a little bit. I see prices moving up on the NASDAQ, so I do expect price to move up unless it's unless it's just a pullback, then I'll just get stopped out.
Order filled.
Okay, so I just got stopped out here, and so now price is reversing rather quickly, and so that could just be a pullback. So I'm just gonna wait. If I get another, if all my conditions are true again, then I might just go back. But Looks like we were up 200 points. Now we're back down to 184 on the NASDAQ. So I do rely heavily on the market news. That also dictates what direction that I trade, along with the conditions that I have, all the conditions that I have set on my chart.